have to go collect my bag and then re-check in. Wish me luck. I hate LAX. I don't know why I travel through it because it sucks. Just hustling my butt to Tom Brady to get to Norwegian Air. So far away. I'm sweating. I need to take an Advil because of strep. Okay, so that was hellish, and I'm a little pissed off now because I went through, ran my butt to check in my bag, $65, and then went into security and forgot I had water in my water bottle. So then I had to, he wouldn't even let me drink it or put it back through the line after I drank it. Like I wasn't allowed to touch it, so he got rid of it. It's a $50 small bottle for my sister. So now I'm stuck with this little nugget. And my friend told me you don't get water on this flight. 11 hours. Here we go. Airbnb after I thought I was taking a bus, but I just need to take a train. Close. To walk the Coliseum, and it's right there. I just got asked like 18 times for a tour. I think because I'm a girl traveling by myself, but I'm actually not going to take a tour. You know? A banana for breakfast, and I'm still hungry and without data. But it's pretty and it's warm. Some 20 years ago, or like 18 years ago, 15, I don't know, and it was raining. I just remember it being pouring and being miserable because I was like 5 years old. It's crazy. This is how long the line is. It starts there and it goes all the way around this beautiful scenery and ends over there. I will not be lining up. He said I will just join. See? way to Castle St. Angelo. I just got off the bus, which is a cool system, but they have like no seats on their buses. It's kind of weird. It's a really nice bus. But honestly, it's just such a beautiful day. Having fun. Got my SIM card, which it makes it way more helpful because it's like the best map in the world, and feeling more hydrated now after drinking almost a liter of water at lunch. After waiting 45 minutes in line at a McDonald's to go to the bathroom, at least it was free, I got myself some gelato, just saw the Pantheon, now walking Capitol Hill, and then I'll make my way back home. Just a little breather, freshen up, grab some dinner, and then that's it for Rome. One day. Here's a great example of the cars. Vespa, smart car, a party bit chunked up. Smart car with the beamer. More Vespas. Another smart car parked sideways, love it. It's madness on the streets. Never would enter in here. Smiling never. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Managed to make it back out. I just tilted my Airbnb for a second and wanted to fall asleep, so I'm glad that I got my butt out, and by recommendation of the Airbnb people, I'm gonna go try a restaurant. Put a little lipstick on, have a date with myself. So dinner was awesome. Went to this place called something, and the owner was the biggest swinger in the world. He held my arm to my feet. He made me dance with him. He took my bag and hid it for a little bit, and he also gave me 3 kisses goodbye and told me that I should stay with him and go to Naples with him, and I said no. So anyway, the food was good. I had ravioli with ricotta and tomato sauce on top, and a delicious lemon cake. So I'm fully carved out. Going back to the hotel now, or Airbnb, to rest, and I have a train ride to Bologna tomorrow.